Hey, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and we are continuing with the recipe album for the 12 weeks of Christmas. Okay, in the last video, I showed you how to make this pocket page hinge binding system. Okay, it's something that's new, far as I know. So, let's get this in our books. Okay, now you're going to need for one thing, okay, you have your 2-inch and then you have your 1/8". Okay, you are going to fold to where your 1/4 of an inch is showing. You have your quarter. Okay, that's where your gussets are. So this 1 1/8" is folded underneath. Okay, so just grab your bone folder and kind of flatten it out. Do that to both. Okay, you want that 1/8 in your inch completely underneath. We're going to apply our tape, and we don't want any tape sticking to that part at all, ladies. Okay, and this is one part you do not want to skimp on tape at all. Okay, so I'm just going to run my 2-inch right along that edge. Try not to go over. Okay. So just like that, ladies. Okay. Make sure your 2/8 and your 1 inch is completely underneath. Okay, because you don't want any of that to have score-pow tape. Okay, none of it. So I'm just lining it up right along that edge. Okay. Just like that. And give her a good burnish, ladies. Good burnish. Okay, now I'm just going to use my 1/2 inch. But in the binding area, you don't ever want to skimp on score-pow tape, okay? Just a little tip, you don't want it coming apart. So don't ever skimp on the score-pow tape in your binding system, okay? So now I'm just going to kind of rework these a little bit, because it will be a little bit stiffer with that tape on there, ladies, okay? Okay, that one's done. Do the same thing with this one, kind of work it. Plus that helps get the tape in the creases, if there's any creases. I'll turn it over. See how it rippled it? It put the tape in the crease where it belongs. Okay? So just kind of work it. This one here, let me use my bone folder. That's a little stiff. I like it to be just a little bit looser. Okay, so let's get these in our book. Okay, so you open it up. All right, here's piece B. Okay, now these, again, you want that 1/8 of an inch. Just fold it towards you, okay? See? Now, where we attached piece C, okay, and you have your double stacked pockets. This is the length of piece C, okay? So you're going to line it right up with piece C. Sorry, my head's probably going to be in the way. One just a hair longer. Let's see. I think it'll be okay. Now you don't want right up against the score line. You have a 1/2 inch gusset and then your score line, okay? So you want probably like 1/8 of an inch away. I gotta bring my book in the light. I'm in a shadow. If I do it over here, I can see what I'm doing. Got such a shadow. Okay, like 1/8 of an inch away, ladies. Okay, this should fold up freely. You do not want this in the way of this folding up, okay? So what I'm going to do, this 1/2 inch piece of tape right here, I'm going to take it off, if I can get it. Oh, wait a minute, that is not right. I must have moved it. Okay, so now I'm going to have to hang on to it. I must have moved it or something. So I was way away from the score line. So when you think you got it, like 1/8 of an inch away, ladies, I'm going to let that fall. Okay. Now I'm going to bring it back up and take this off. This is the easiest way I have found to do this. It is a little bit. Now if we didn't have that flap that we had to worry about, we could glue down that flap. It'd be a little bit different. Okay. You don't want to stretch this whatsoever. So I'm just kind of running my fingers just like that. Okay. So now I'm just going to give her a good, you can use your bone folder too. Okay. You just want to be careful, don't mar up your cardstock, okay? Because it's easy to do. You just want to make sure we got a good stick. Okay. All right. I'm going to give it a good burnish. And it will start laying a lot flatter once we get stuff in here. But it takes a little bit to get that binding to break down those fibers. Okay. So you may have to kind of keep working it a little bit, ladies. Okay. Because it makes it stiffer once we add that tape, and then we tape it down. Makes it just a little bit stiffer. Okay. All right. There's that side. Let's do the other side, ladies. I'm going to turn my book around so I can be in the light. Oh, I don't have my other light on. That's why it's so dark. Okay. Doing the same thing, ladies. Make sure them 1/8 of an inch and your inch is folded under. You shouldn't see it with the tape side. Okay. I'm going to line that up with my C piece. And I'm going to be about 1/8 of an inch away from my score line. Okay. I'm going to hold it, try and hold it there again. Okay. I'm going to take off my 1/2 inch that I got here and stick that part down. Okay. Okay, now I can let up, bring this up, and take this tape off. Okay. Oops, I kind of curled the end of my tape there. That's not good. Okay, take that off. Now you're just hanging on to it, letting her going in between the gussets with just my finger. I'm not tugging or anything. I'm just letting it fall where it falls, okay? I'm not tugging on it. You don't ever want to tug on it, okay? Okay, now I'll just use my bone folder, kind of go around each hinge, being careful not to mar up my chipboard, cardstock, papers. Okay. Make sure it's good and down. Now I'm going to do a little bit of burnishing. Okay. Because after we put that tape on, it stiffens it back up. Don't be afraid to push on it. Just be careful. Okay. All right. There's our binding system, ladies. Pretty nifty. I gotta find my pocket pages, or we put the pages in here right now. I put them up and I'm not for sure where I put them. I need to go find them. Anyway, these will slip in here. So like that. Okay. So in the next video, I will show you ladies how to put these in, and we'll get our acetate pocket done. Okay. See you guys in the next video. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.